how to hide all contact from your iPhone. So the way is you have to open your setting, and under setting open your apps and find the contact option. Here is a contact. Now make sure from where your contact will be loading. Go to your contact again. If you press on list, then you can see from iCloud you have 1340, and from Yahoo 0, and from Gmail you have 73. So you have to disable your iCloud and Gmail option together to hide your all apps. So press on contact list, go to iCloud first, just disable this option. Delete my phone, don't worry, it will be recovered again. And under Gmail, disable this option. Now if you go back to your contact, then you can see no contact is available. To bring back again, go to your setting again, just enable your contact option. Then if you go back your contact, and you have to wait couple of seconds, then your all contact will be gone again, back again. So from iCloud, same method, go back iCloud, just enable your iCloud option, then all contact will be back again. So you just need to wait couple of seconds, it's coming. So that's it. Have a good day.